Hello everybody, we're going to make something that's tiny and fun today, but we need quite a lot of stuff to do it. In this tub is my flour that I keep in my freezer, and we need an empty plastic bottle. I suppose a glass bottle would also work, and we need a balloon and a spoon and a funnel. I don't have a funnel, so I'm making one out of this paper, and we're going to make a stress ball or a squeezy ball, which is really useful because it helps to make your hands strong and it feels awesome. But moms and dads, you need to know that you have to play with this ball outside, because if it pops, can you imagine? So here I'm going to show you how to make a little stress ball to play with for fun. And it does have to be plastic because you've got to squeeze the flour into the balloon. So to start off with, the first thing we do is we take our flour and we've got to put the flour into the plastic bottle, and I'm going to use this paper as a funnel in order to do that. There we go. Now I'll put the flour in. Wow, this is trickier than I thought. I'm going to use the scissors to stick it through. Push it through. Do you see why we used the green tray? Right, the next part is that you're going to blow up your balloon. That should be fine. And then while you're still holding it, you've got to stretch the other end over the bottle, so it's sometimes useful to have an extra pair of hands to help. I think we can manage because I chose this bottle with a tiny top. There we go. So you stretch that over, and then turning it upside down, you pop the flour into the balloon. You can just imagine that this is a very good outside toy. Now with all the flour inside, you hold it tight because you don't want all the air to come out yet. Pop it off the end of the bottle, and then very slowly and carefully you let the air come out without blowing all the flour out until it's just flour left in your balloon. And then you tie it up nice and tight. And you've got a satisfying stress ball to play with. Hope you have fun.